Hi, everyone. I'm going to give you a quick overview of how to search in Overdrive Marketplace. I've had a number of questions, and because there are a couple of ways to search, I just wanted to make sure everyone was really clear on how to do it. So I have my credentials saved in Marketplace here, as you can see. So I'm just going to go ahead and click Sign In. Remember, if you need a marketplace account, just send me an email and I will get it started for you. You should receive an email from Overdrive and you'll have to complete the steps to get your account set up all the way. Okay, so once you're logged in, it will look something like this, your shopping screen. And this blue band across the top is how you're going to navigate through the marketplace. This is where all of your commands are. So it defaults, as you can see on the top left, to shop one copy, one user, and metered access. That is where the vast majority of the titles are located. It's the lending model, the two lending models that we purchased most titles in. There's a drop-down menu, and if you click on it, you can see there's one copy, one user, and metered. It's grayed out because that's where we currently are. There's the cost per circ, simultaneous use, and also the class sets lending models. Whichever lending model you're currently in is what you will see in your search bar across the top. So you can see right now it says search one copy, one user, and metered access. So again, this is where the most number of titles are going to be. So I'm going to go ahead and type in an author. Like if you were looking for, say, all the books by Jason Reynolds, you could just type in his name and hit search. It will also give you search suggestions. And then you hit the little green magnifying glass. And I have 68 results for Jason Reynolds. There's some really nice search filters you can apply to narrow down your results when you're on your search results page across the left-hand side. So two that are really useful is in collection or not in collection. So if you're just wondering if we own a certain book, you can always select one of those filters. And also the format of audiobook or ebook. So if you're looking to see, for example, if we had an audiobook of Ghost, you could choose that filter and then apply it and you'll see whether it's available or not. So there's some really nice filtering. There's also, you can filter by language, by audience, by subject, and lots of other filters. But those are just two of the most helpful ones I find. You can also sort your search results in a number of ways, as you can see across the top. So if I want to change my searching to cost per circ, I would go back up to that top left menu and choose cost per circ from the drop-down. And you can see that my search bar has changed from saying shop one copy, one user, and metered access to saying search CPC. So again, if I wanted to see which Jason Reynolds titles were available in this format, in this lending model, oops, I misspelled Reynolds, I would type in his name and hit search. Now, there is a wide variety of titles available in this format, but it is not anywhere near as broad as the one copy, one user, and metered access. But there are over 100,000 different titles available this way. There is no catalog, so your best bet is just to search for the titles you're interested in and see if they come up. So it looks like we have Miles Morales. That's probably not what people were thinking of when they were looking for Jason Reynolds. When I Was the Greatest as an audiobook at $5 per copy. But I don't see any of his track books or Long Way Down or any of those ones that you might be looking for. So it's going to be a little bit hit or miss, I think, with the cost per circ. Okay, so I'm going to take you to simultaneous use next. So when I click on that, you'll notice there is no search bar. And unfortunately, for simultaneous use, you do have to know the publisher of the book you're looking for before you can search through it. So one way to do that is to look under one copy, one user and find the publisher. And then you can search within that publisher, look for that publisher on this page. So that's it in a nutshell. Hopefully that gives you a little guide to using the search features in Marketplace.